Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can add a to-do or a task to do in the Habitica productivity application. So let us guide you through it. Launch the Habitica application on your mobile phone, and after that, here at the bottom inside your home screen, switch from habits to the to-dos tabs, or tap at the very bottom. And here, by tapping on the plus icon, guys, you may add a new to-do task to your list of tasks. Here, tap into task title and give you to do a task, like for example, I don't know, publish video on YouTube channel or something like that. And after that, customize your task by tapping into notes to add additional information to that task or to do. You may also add a checklist to that to do. For example, if the given task consists of several steps, and these can be listed in a checklist, and you may set the given to do tasks a difficulty level like trivial, easy, medium, hard. You may schedule the given to do, like for example, set a due date, and also set a reminder if you'd like to get notified and reminded of the upcoming to-do here. And last but not least, tap on create in the top right corner to add this to-do task to your list of tasks to be completed. And once that's done, guys, head back to your menu, and once the given to-do has been completed, simply tap into that button here to the left to mark the given to-do as complete. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.